Okay, practice A, the effects of changing dimensions proportionally. The instructions are, describe the effect of each change on the area of the given figure. So if the base of the triangle is tripled, then the area of the triangle will also be tripled. The beginning area is 0.5 times 5 times 10, which is going to be equal to 25. And this will be square inches. The area of the new triangle will be 3 times 25 equal to 75 square inches. Number 3, the height of a parallelogram with base 7 meters and height 5 millimeters is multiplied by 1/5. So the height is multiplied by 1/5. So in other words, we're decreasing that dimension from 5 meters down to 1 meter. Because if I take if the height equals 5 meters and I multiply that by 1/5, I get 5 over 5. 5 over 5, Mr. Levelford, not 5 over m. I get 5 over 5, which is equal to 1 meter. So the effect on the area will be to decrease the area by 1/5 as well. Multiplying by 1/5 is to multiply the area by 1/5. We would say that the new area is smaller by a factor of 1/5. Okay. Number 4, describe the effect of each change on the circumference and the area of the given figure. So here I have the radius g is multiplied by 1/4. So if I take now the radius being 20, so if I multiply 20 by 1/4, that is the same as 20 over 4, which is 5. So my new radius is actually smaller. So therefore, my perimeter, so we would say perimeter by 1/4 1/4 as big. The area will be 1/16 as big as the previous area. And the reason for that is when I take 1/4, when I'm looking at an area, it's 2 dimensions, so I square that factor. So this becomes 1 squared over 4 squared, which is 1/16. So my area will be 1/16 the size of the previous area. Alright, number 6. A square has a side length of 2 millimeters. The sides are doubled in length. Describe the effect on the square's perimeter and area. So quickly, if I look at a square, all the sides are the same. So 2, 4, 6, 8. My perimeter here, perimeter is equal to 8. Here I have 4, 4, 4, and 4. So my perimeter here is equal to 16. So doubling the side length will double the perimeter. Doubling side length causes perimeter to double. Here, if I look at the area, which is side squared, this would be 4 millimeters squared. Here, this is 16 millimeters squared. So we see that the larger area is 4 times as big. And I can prove that simply by going here and I can go ahead now and take 4 of these and put them inside. And we can see that that is 4 times the area of the smaller. So we would say then that doubling side causes area to quadruple. So we'd simply go 2 squared equals 4.